Welcome back to my channel Way to Merchant Navigators. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I'll talk regarding the 8 ways to mariner to fight the frustration during the job search. Okay, but to getting a job, first you need to be qualified. So for getting qualified you need to crack the exams. To crack the exams you need a good study material. To get the good study material, you have the way. You go to the description box, all the links for your GME, ETO, your any kind of shipping exams, your aptitude test, psychometry test, your IMO CET sponsorship, lot of exams are there. So you can go and check. Okay, so now it is very common that maritime jobs are very less, students are more, so you have to search the job in very efficient way. So how to search a maritime jobs, I have made several videos on that. You can go and check it out. Lot of websites I have told you regarding it. You can check also that thing. But during job search you might face some frustration, lack of motivation, negativity. So how to fight that? That is the today's topic. So we'll start. First is I have written down. First is contemplate. What is the contemplate means? Something the most of the mariners in the phase of job search will get wrong is the understanding of the job search is a full-time job itself. Okay, it is not actually. Once you're out of the job, it's important to realize that job search is going to be exhausting, definitely. If you jump into it not understanding the fact, frustration bound to sink in sooner that it should. So when you face the situation, begin your search with understanding it might be tougher than you anticipate. Very true. It is really tougher what you are anticipating, you are predicting. Prediction is nothing, planning is nothing but without a guessing. So it might be the tougher. So that is the understanding. Strategize. Okay, so strategize means you have to be strategically very sound, that what I'm trying to do, what is my planning. Again I'm telling, planning is guessing. It might be wrong, it might be well. If something clicks, people used to say, oh nice planning, but if something goes wrong, oh planning acha nahi tha, planning was not good, like that. But that is not true. Maybe that time what decision you have taken, what planning you have done, it was right, but in this scenario it might not work. It happened, doesn't mean your decision is bad, doesn't mean if planning was not good. No. Research. Third point is research. Very important. Research can be any kind of research. You can use the websites, you can meet people, you can roam around. Obviously the roam around option is little bit less or might not possible in this scenario, but you can do it. Okay, so the most important step of any job search is research. Lets you know about all available opportunities out there for you and the resources available at your disposal. For example, if you are looking for a shore-based job, start looking what kinds of jobs are available. For example, many marine engineers are presently find jobs as quality managers of commercial consultants, insurance inspection chiefs, etc. in shore-based shipping companies. So that is called research. Okay, the third point. Now I'll move to the fourth point, that is makeover. What is makeover? The frustration hits every job searcher when all search leads to a dead end. Okay, how to avoid that? Search via new path. Doing things differently. Start with your resume. Make it more achievement based. This depicting of experience you have gained over the year service. Mention all skills you have acquired, task you have performed, and chances you have taken. For example, instead of using a perform template for resume, make one of your own from the scratch. Add all your skills singularly in bullet points. Different approach. When you are reaching the dead end of a path, you have two options. Either find a new path or you turn around and again go back to the same path you are coming. when you waking up in the morning, there will be two choices: do the easy thing, do the right thing. Always choose second thing. Remember this point. Okay. So then next, socialize. Socialize I have already, I think, covered in the research point also. Try to message people. Find from the LinkedIn, find from the Instagram, find from the Facebook, find from the YouTube. You have heard something, I don't know if heard or not, that is known as cold email. What is cold email? Cold email is nothing but you are mailing someone you don't know. Maybe you are mailing me regarding some queries or something, okay, but you don't know me actually, but you are mailing me. Why? Because you need something from me, that is why you are mailing me. Okay, so that is the thing I wanted to tell you. Socialize, go out, speak to people, okay, join seminars. That is the thing. Increase your networks basically. Now follow a schedule, very important. Follow a schedule, whatever. Follow a schedule means you have to very specific which time you want to search for a job. I already told you, it is not a full-time job. Okay, other times you can work on your skills, you can develop your knowledge more, because maybe someone likes the resume, some shipping company or RPSO company, whatever, and they call you for an interview. Without interview you cannot go through any company, trust me on that. Bet on that. So maybe they'll call you for the interview, so you have to be very prepared. Maybe they call you and tell you that maybe day after tomorrow there will be an interview and you have to join via online, offline, whatever, and if you able to impress them, then you're getting the job, otherwise you don't. Simple. So on that time, on your free time, you increase your knowledge, communication skill, speaking power, build your confidence, eye to eye contact. Those things is the things you can work on it. Okay, the things beyond your hands you cannot do anything. Simple. Beyond your hands you cannot do anything, but the things which in your hand you can do lot of things. You can improve your skills, so do it. Set realistic goal, very important. Assuming, thinking, dreaming and realistic, those things are different. See, realistic goal in the sense, if you expect to be back at job within a month of losing your previous job, maybe that might not happen, and definitely 200% it will not happen. So do not predict or do not assuming that this will happen, no, it might not be, it can be also. If it is happening, then it is a bonus, but it is not happening, then it is normal. So that's how you have to think. You have to do your job, you have to do the job search, you have to build your skills, knowledge, personality, communication skill, and you have to search the job. It all depends on the probability. What I have told you na, that when you are sending some cold email, I cannot guarantee or assure you that you will get the replies. If you are sending 10 emails, I cannot assure you, but if you are sending 100 emails, you just assume you are sending 100 emails in last 15 days, there might be a chance, maybe one reply, two reply you will get, and that one reply will change your life. So it's all about probability. Okay, now take a break. Last point, it is important to take a break. You cannot do a single thing or the same thing continuously without a break. You don't know what is the end of this path. If you know your goal, if you know that okay, that is the end, within 2 months I have to, actually this is called deadline. If you know the deadline, that is the thing, in 2 months I have to do this thing regular basis, so I can achieve that goal. But you don't know when this journey will going to end. Maybe tomorrow it will end, maybe no, maybe next 2 months, 3 months it will take. So take a break, maybe once in a 15 days, maybe twice in a 20 days. You can do it as per your convenience. Take a full day break off, watch some movies, enjoy music, go out with friends. You can do it. It is not the end that you have lose your job means it is the end of the world. No, not like that. You can do it. You can still get back to your job. You can again do it. You can again perform. Okay, so take a break, very important to refresh you. Refreshment is important, seriously it is important. It is important for your mental health also. Okay, so this is the way you can fight with the frustration during your job search. It is very frustrating definitely, but you have to do it like this way. So I think I have made you understand this video. If you like this video, I think you will like this video, because the lot of motivation, lot of inspiration I have talked in this video. So if you like, please don't forget to like, press the like button, hit the subscribe button, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.